Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Pippit desktop app in your laptop or computer. First, you can just open the Pippit AI web. I have added the link in the descriptions and the pinned comment so you can open it from there. And then next, after you open the link and then just log in with your Google account for the simply and faster login. And after that, you will taken to the home page like this, and then next just tap on the earns credits like this, and then just choose the install Pippit desktop app with and then when you do this actions you will also get the free credits, active free credits like this. So just simply tap on go and then just choose install like this, and then just tap on install again, and like this you will automatically taken to desktop app like this. And then you can also just claim the rewards, the free credits. Just tap on claim, and like this you will automatically taken to the desktop app like this. And then you can just starting using Pippit AI in this desktop app. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.